Palestine. Yeah, you are the holy land, many race and human. Peace and faith never end, easy to understand. When the monkeys colonized, the whole world becomes paralyzed. But you're not quiet, you fight for right until the sun bright. You can free like light. Free Palestine. Leaving these 6 years since you were colonized, the world's still silent like paralyzed. But I know Allah never sleeps. I do always for you very deep. The monkeys come from hell, they control the world very well. Make the leaders of Arab keep silent. They do not anything for this violence. You don't need to be Muslim to stand up for Palestine. You just need to be human. Free Palestine. You are the holy land, many race and human. Together live full tolerance until the monkey go in trance. When the monkeys colonize, the whole world becomes paralyzed. But you're not quiet, you fight for right until the sun bright. You come free like light. Free, 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 free. You fight for right until the sun bright. You come free like light.